Hey guys, here's how you can reuse your candle jars using 5 simple steps. I did a blog post on this already where you can see all the steps on how I do that, but basically we're taking this old candle jar that's used up, and you have a little bit of wax on the bottom, and so we'll go from this to a brand new clear jar. So I will do clean out the small size and then the bigger size too, so you can see how you can do both. So, and then this one will look like a brand new jar that you can use for anything really. Makeup brushes, pens and pencils. First, you will take your candle jar and put it in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. I already had mine in the freezer and I just took it out, so I'm ready to clean it out. Next, you will take a butter knife. So I'm using this one. So take a butter knife and you will just kind of press the knife into the bottom. And I like to go around a few times and basically try to break up the wax. And it will come out clean. It comes out easy. So there's no melting the wax or anything. It comes out so easy. And just throw away all of the wax. So this is what it looks like. So I will just throw this out. And I will do the same thing for the black jar. So for this one, same thing. Just go around, break it up. And it's ready to be cleared out. Just throw it out. Your next step, you will take off the main label. That way there's no residue and you can reuse the lids as well. So I will show you how to do that. So you can use a hair dryer, or I am using a heat gun, which I use every day. So you will heat up the top of the label for about a minute, and then when you see the edges being loosened up a little bit, that's when you know it's ready. So so that's what I'm gonna do, heat up the top and then show you what it looks like. And the lid will be hot, so don't touch it for a little bit, let it cool a little bit, and then you should be able to take off the lid easily. Once it cooled off a little bit, just peel the label off. That's it. Next, you will take your clean jars and just put it in the hot soapy water and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then your last step will be to just wash them and dry them, and they're all set.